Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Create a cozy rustic vintage farmhouse look, DIY cottage decor trends to try. Vintage rustic farmhouse cottage decor never goes out of style. It's warm, charming, and full of character. If you love the idea of a home that feels both timeless and personal, this style offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and relaxed comfort. It's all about mixing soft colors, worn textures, and meaningful details that bring a collected over time look into every room. This look isn't about perfection, it's about personality. Think reclaimed wood, antique-inspired accents, soft floral fabrics, open shelving, and cozy layers of linen and cotton. Add in a few thrifted finds or DIY touches, and you've got a home that tells your story in the most beautiful way. In today's video, we're exploring 2025's most inspiring trends in DIY vintage rustic farmhouse cottage decor. From building your own vintage-style wall art to repurposing old furniture and styling with texture-rich layers, these ideas are easy to try and stunning to look at. Whether you're updating your kitchen, bedroom, or living room, these DIY tips bring instant warmth and charm to any space. So pour a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and enjoy these cozy, down-to-earth decorating ideas. And if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss new inspiration here at Home Design Inspiration and Ideas. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope these DIY vintage farmhouse trends sparked ideas for your own cozy retreat. Whether you're layering textures, styling thrifted finds, or just starting small, every little change can bring your home to life. Until next time, keep creating a home that feels honest, heartfelt, and filled with stories.